This week we're going to be making a dark age style knife out of a piece of 1055, about 1 inch wide and about 2.5 inches long, to make a knife like this one. I'm actually going to be making this. This is just an example. Currently I've got the piece of metal in the forge ready to go. So follow me on, come along on this journey, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also check me out on Ko-fi and Instagram and YouTube, and Facebook, so catch you on there shortly. Number one. No cracking noises, no popping. Sounds like a nice cut, nice one. Now I'll leave this sitting up in here for the moment. Now, because it's clam up nice and reasonably clean, I don't actually need to grab it with a piece of sandpaper. I'm actually going to watch the colours change in this by using the usual heat in the forge to slowly heat sink the blade. Try not to drop these at this stage because they're at the hardest point they're ever going to be. At this point, they're going to go. If you're going to drop it, this is when you're more likely going to shatter it. So be very careful on how you handle these knives at this point. same again. You want to get a strawy colour, you do not want blue. Slowly creeping through your blade. You want straw and light browns, or slight yellowy browns. Anything more than that, you're going to have a risk of the blade shattering, or it's going to actually, not shattering, it's going to become too soft. So. Colour's only just starting to run, so I'm back in for a sec. And you don't put the blade edge down, you put it to the back of the blade, so the blade actually heat sinks into the blade section, not into the, you want to keep the edge as hard as you can. It's starting to go. Check this one while I'm here. Also starting. But you definitely do not want to leave them in here for too long. I'm not going to lie, I would love to have a tempering oven. Well, haven't got one for in here. A little bit old school still, even though I'm using a modern forge. Piece of if I can go into the water. You don't want to take during the tempering stage, you do not want to take it from one extreme to the other. So you do not want to chuck it in cold water like straight after chucking it being in the oven. Okay, I've just changed over onto a worn out sand belt so I can actually use it as a polisher. I'll just put on the PPE and the knife is now being polished up and ready to go. Just to demonstrate that it is sharp, so it is sharp enough to do the job. So, and that's through thick paper bag. So, but yeah, so ready to go. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You could also very shortly I'll be making up more of these to be selling on my Etsy store, and also don't forget to go and check out my Ko-fi, shout me a coffee. So it's